Today we're at the Gartner IT Symposium here at the Gold Coast supporting IBM's stand. So come take a look. You can see we've got quite a nice obstacle course set up over the course of the 3 days. So let's have a look at what we're going to be doing. So the way that we've got this set up over here is we've got the Persistent Systems SysTech MPU5 set up as a communications network. And you've also got the Fluke acoustic imager payload on the back of Spot. So the first inspection that we've got set up here is a gauge reading. We've got a number of different gauges there. So I'm just going to zoom into the first one. And if you want to have a look on screen at what we can see, so you can see a pretty nice clear image of that gauge. As we move over. So that's the power of that sort of inspection use case there. We're able to now overcome a bit of the terrain, just highlighting a lot of its mobility and navigation. So what we can see here is we've set up a bit of a leak detection use case. So you can see a bit of that steam coming out. And if we want to come over to the screen over here. So what we're able to see is that there's a bit of a leak, not directly on one of those pipes, but that's just the general idea of the use case. And you can see that we've pretty much restricted the frequency of that leak to a certain range to try and to detect it there. So yeah, as we move over to the next use case, Spot's going to head up the stairs and continue to walk over that rocky terrain. And so this is one of the last use cases that we've set up. So we've obviously just got a simple sort of fuse box over there, and we can see illuminating from within that fuse box is a bit of a thermal hotspot, and you can see it's sitting at about 32 degrees or so. So that could cause a bit of an issue on site there.